can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of earth tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know.
Now it's time, not me. Me, I got no time for that energy. Oh yeah, why be? Gonna just wind up your body. Never need a break and make you want to show me out. You gon' need a break, I'm a goodly break out. Because stop me cutting cause I got to me out.
But it's unpolite, done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Posing hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not as advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here?
Deep down bad, but I'm a bitch, okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, and you know that bitch
road and stuff. So we just realized I didn't do an intro. So please, I'm asking you guys to make sure that you drop a like on the video, spam the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell and all, so whenever time I post a video, you'll never miss the notification. Please remember to follow me on our socials at @Rosh_Shella, and most importantly, please remember to watch your ads. So anyways, we're up on the video sleep. I have a few things to do today, guys, right? So I'll get some chicken. I'm gonna get chicken feed. I'm gonna try to get fish in a spot in town. I'm gonna pick up my package them, and I'm gonna run in the store and try to see if I can get me a dress and a footwear. Yes, because I have a date coming up, so I'm gonna get them there outside the way. Right, so y'all just watch the video, enjoy the video, and as usual, go and pick up yourself. I have a look to see if I could find a black tour brooch with this. Turns out that you only have this color here: red, pink, white, and green. May I look something black? Sweet to God. I don't know, I wonder if I take one. Maybe just get a strap of supplies. Like the one I want, I'm not getting. But I'm going to try this one still and see how it fits on my foot. Alright, so here one, me see. Me see one dress so far with me like, but guys, I can't find no bags like bag will match this, like the bag them just so off. Either them too darker than this. The color is definitely too bright. So here I'm going to check in one other store. I'm going to check in a Juicy Couture to see if I see a dress in there what I like. If I see a dress in there what I like, I'm going to get some in there. So if not, I'm going to go back at the first store where I did go before and just take the white dress. Try to see if I can get a black slippers to match it. Because I'm already have a bag of my yard. So that's what I'm going to do.
Hands up high, hands up high, turn the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I rhyme.
I'm not saying it will make sense. Guys, honestly, majority of the clothes in here are just coming as yard clothes. So I'm going to check in on Juicy Couture now. Alright guys, so Juicy Couture. Yeah, but I don't know why I always say Juicy Couture, but I'm going to go in here so in a cute couture. Hopefully I find something.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Alright guys, so my dress is in this. You know what I think, so I'm going to buy one food, you know. Hello? We did talk to them about this and you say on with some. Alright guys, I am in the fish shop. Fish shop.
Don't be in the humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag.
Alright guys, so we just get jerk chicken because that's basically the only thing we leave out here. So it's a jerk chicken fan festival and I'm waiting on my soup. As you don't know, me a soup it already. So today is a chicken foot and neck soup. Yeah, so big. Alright guys, so we just reached home and Chloe I gonna drink some of the soup. As you can see, Chloe front teeth gone left eye. Rat take Chloe front teeth. I'll give you that, put your face on. Just take your time. Here. This is why you pull up your place. I guess for the mirror package then. Fish in there, so it's raw. Alright guys, so we get that package here, them 2 here, and then this here. So what do you think of first package we forget to know, but turns out we get 4, so I don't know where them people take up this one. This one. I think this is one here. Oh, this one. What is wrong with you? Eh? Chloe, come to this. Take your wipe and out and eat. When you finish it. Yeah, so this is a promotion. We may have to go do. This is you can see what we get. You like me get lash in this here. So like I will even something get this, but I'm not gonna pull this on camera because as I said, this is a promotion. This is a promotion. We go. This is a next week as well. This is a body wave. Wow. So after you get this, you actually get $25 free fee in a PayPal. That's not bad. Oh, you can get a $25 or free wig. Don't you me know say me love money. Money me want no free wig. It's a headband with this. So I think this is a body wave here. Yeah, I think this is a body wave here. So most likely this is the next promotion. And I'll go pull that. Alright, moving on to this. Oh, let me see. So me don't think we can pull this. Cause let me see. I think this is a Shein. Hold on, this is a from Shein also. I think this is a promotion with the Shein. Let me see. So how many see? Oh yeah, Shein. Yeah. So them two package there. Me and Chloe have to go do a video with them there. Promotion for Shein. So I'm not sure if it's a case so we're not going to see the Shein video before this video, or if it's a case so we're not going to see this video before the Shein video. But either way, we're not going to see the video. So anyway guys, I'm going to try to see if I can get me a bath because I'm hot as hell. Like literally I had a long day on the road today. We did forget slippers to match the bag that I'll be wearing. Unfortunately, because time flying and I know I have to come home and get things to Chloe eat and stuff, so I know I couldn't stay long on the road. So I'm gonna make some tea for Zoe and then I'm gonna go bed. And then afterwards we eat. Those also. And say hi to people them. See people in there. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Say hi guys. Hi. Yeah. Tell them say I go drink tea. Me boy if I come here.
Pretty bead in there.
Yeah, pretty bead in there. Alright guys, so Chloe I go and drink her soup. Me I go bed. Alright gentle people, so this is basically the end of the video guys. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell, and also every time I drop a video you'll never miss the notification. And please remember to connect with me on all socials, and please remember to follow me on TikTok at rush_shella. So it's a girl Rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.
Time for the